Greenlight Invest app. The pros, the cons. Greenlight Invest is a mobile investing platform built for families, aiming to teach kids about money while giving parents control. But how effective is it? Starting with the pros. First, educational tools. The app helps kids learn investing through gamified experiences, encouraging financial literacy from a young age. Second, parental oversight. Parents can approve trades, set spending limits, and monitor performance, balancing guidance with independence. Third, fractional shares. Kids can invest in high-value stocks with small amounts, making real investing more accessible. Now, the cons. One limitation is fees. While modest, transaction and subscription costs can add up over time. Another drawback is limited investment options. The platform primarily focuses on stocks and ETFs, lacking broader alternatives like bonds or crypto. The surprising truth? Many parents underestimate how early exposure can impact long-term financial habits. Greenlight makes investing tangible, not abstract. In conclusion, the pros: education, parental controls, and fractional investing make Greenlight ideal for families introducing kids to finance. The cons: fees and limited investment types suggest it's best for learning, not complex portfolios. Overall, Greenlight combines fun, education, and real-world investing.